Hi, everybody. It's Diane Armitage, and today is March 5th, 2024. 30 years ago to this day was the day that I first met Bob Proctor. The first day, 30 years ago. He was at a big keynote event. I was with the company that was handling the event. They had appointed me as his handler to get him from the keynote to the workshop. And in that long walk across the convention hall, everything in my life changed. Everything in my life changed. I was talking about starting my own freelance writing company, and he stopped and talked with me about that. And then several months later, when I did start that company, he became my first client on the first day. And 27 years of writing with Bob Proctor ensued. What a transition and transformation has happened in my life in those 30 years. So I thought this morning when I woke up, I thought, Bob's probably going to send something my way because he tends to still be up there doing some nudges here and there. And sure enough, the first thing I did, I looked at my phone and I had this weird text that was something I had sent to a client back in July 21st of 2023, when my coaching booth class was going to have Brian Proctor, his amazing son, as our guest. And we did a private interview of Brian Proctor. And we talked about money. We talked about how he was raised with money, how Bob thought about money. That was a big piece of that whole conversation. The whole interview was incredible. So I decided after that nudge that it was time to make this a public interview. So somewhere around this video, you'll find the link to go to that YouTube video. And I know that somebody out there in my world, one of you out there in this world, needs to hear what Brian discusses in this particular interview. I can't even tell you how grateful I am to Bob Proctor for everything that has occurred in my life as a result of his mentorship. I know that you're going to enjoy this interview and enjoy the day as you move forward. And I will look forward to hearing from you on the other side.